In this video, you'll learn how to fix Stripe verification pending in just a few minutes so you can activate your account and start accepting payments without further delays. First, go to stripe.com and sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Look for any verification banners or notifications at the top of your dashboard, since Stripe usually tells you exactly what information is missing or pending review. Next, click on Settings, then Account Information. Review every section, including your business details, bank account, identity verification, and tax information. Make sure all the data is accurate, complete, and matches your official documents exactly. Now, upload any required documents. Stripe might ask for a government-issued ID, a business registration certificate, or a utility bill. Use clear, high-quality scans and submit them through the verification section of your dashboard. After that, double-check your business representative info. Make sure the name, date of birth, and address match your ID exactly. Even a small typo can cause Stripe's verification system to flag your account for review. Once you've submitted everything, wait a few business days for Stripe to review your information. If your account is still pending after a week, contact Stripe support directly through the Help section for a manual review. And that's it. You now know how to fix Stripe verification pending and unlock your account for full payment processing.